Try this dairy-free breakfast casserole. Let's start stir-frying our vegan sausages. We're gonna turn the veggie sausages once they are halfway cooked. So that's gonna be about 5 minutes, and then another 5 minutes on the other side. As soon as the sausages are already golden brown, we're gonna remove them from the skillet because we're gonna chop them into thick slices. So we're gonna make the veggie filling by first stir frying the thinly sliced onions until they are caramelized. So as soon as the onions start to caramelize, check that we're not using any oil. We're gonna add the sliced mini mushrooms, the red bell peppers, and this completes the stuffing. So to make the vegan egg, we're gonna blend the silken tofu with our chickpea flour and our nutritional yeast in dish. And then we're gonna season with some turmeric. And we're gonna add salt and some freshly grounded pepper. We're gonna blend for about a minute. We're looking for this eggy texture. It's very creamy because this is where we're gonna put our stir-fried vegetables and make a whole veggie mixture to put it in the oven. We're gonna combine our tofu mixture with our stewed vegetables so we have a uniform mixture that we can pour into our baking sheet. We're gonna lightly oil our baking dish. Now let's continue placing our hash browns. Now we're gonna place our grilled sausages on top of our hash browns, because then we're gonna pour our mixture on top of it. I'm gonna firmly mixture on top of our sausages. And I'm gonna spread that mixture evenly so it coats all the sausages. And fills all the pockets. So this is the final touch. Just use your favorite vegan cheese, and we're gonna put the baking dish in a preheated oven. Now we're gonna take the casserole to a preheated oven and bake it for 1 hour, and then add additional cheese for 30 minutes. And here is our freshly baked hash brown casserole.